Well, this week we had an unexpected trip up here. We didn't plan on coming this weekend, but me and Kyle Jr., we came up here because they had a very hard rain during the week, and this is my gate now. It washed out all around this culvert where it comes from over here. And you can see all the debris. It came up and it came all the way over the road down here and went up, and it washed out. You can see all the leaves and sticks on the fence that got caught up, and it completely washed out the gate, the legs, and then that T-post, and it just almost fell over. And you can see all the rock. It washed down there by the pond. I don't know how much actually went into the pond, but I think it overflowed back over there, and hopefully I had a bunch of little minnows in here trying to get them established, and hopefully a lot of them didn't go out.
I think if these weren't here, it would have went over.
Yeah, it would have went over for
These
sure.
weren't so close.
So we are gonna try to straighten this up. I got 4 bags of Sakrete if we need it, but we're gonna try to put a bunch of rock around it, get it straightened back up anyway, and yeah, it's just, and you can see how dirty the pond is. All the leaves went in there. Here I've been doing the pond dye, making it look all pretty and all, and now look at it. It's just full of leaves and stuff. Sticks. Okay, this is where we're at right now. Not a lot. We did get a hole dug right there. It's about what, 1.5 feet?
Something like that.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna run a smaller tree up to the kind of the top area of that, and then a little bit bigger one in the middle, and then the biggest one will be on the bottom. That way there's not a lot of weight on top. And then we're gonna do the same thing over here. Kyle just finished digging this one. It's about the same depth as that one. We'll put another one up and do the same thing. We'll screw them just to keep it. And then we're gonna backfill around all this with some, I'm gonna try to dig some of that out of the pond, some of that rock, and we're gonna backfill all around these.
this end of that log
Yeah.
and take that tree out, that would really help.
Okay, we got the poles set in some Quikrete. And now we're about to run some runners like we did that one over there. We're gonna run them on this, take one right about a little bit higher than where that is now. That way we can space them out, and then we'll have the top one going up kind of high on this to give it more support on the top and to help out with some strength. And then we backfilled all of this with the tractor and with Kyle shoveling and throwing rocks over here. We got a lot of rocks. We got that all smoothed out best we could. There's a ton of rocks here, which we know that the water can move them if it does it again, but anyway.
Maybe that cement will help.
So that's what we're working with now, and then we're gonna turn one of these over like it's supposed to be and put it on right. Okay, we got everything secured. This gate is now going to be a mini that gate, and I think we're about to put some of those angle boards up there. He's going to undo the bracket so we can turn the that one over, and it's looking a lot better. No, of course I didn't.
I think that'll slide on there.
Yeah.
So we can...
We'll figure it out. And this is the fence for now. It's a lot better. We went ahead and put a wire from that T-post over around the bottom of this to tighten that up. And then we did the same thing on the other side. Then we twisted that wire to make it good and tight. So anyway, it's a mini version of the other side.
Just hold those rocks together that we've thrown in there.
Yeah, we did put some. We had one bag of Sackcrete left over. What we did is we poured it over all these rocks. And we'll see how that does. It kind of hardens and keeps them in place for a little while. We poured water on it. I don't know. Okay, last day. It's been sitting here drying overnight. We're getting ready to leave. So this is the hopefully we'll hold up. If we get another rain like that, I don't know, it may wash these poles out, I don't know, but Kyle had a good idea yesterday to raise the gates up a little bit. That way, all that trash, if it does do it again, it'll go through and it might not put as much pressure on the gate. All right, as for now, our emergency trip here to fix the gate, I think it's coming to an end. So I think we got it repaired and I'm gonna head back home.